From Grandma and Grandpa.
Whoa. A ball.
What is it?
A ball.
It's a ball?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
I did copy. Oh.
Funny, I thought this would be...
It.
There you go. I thought this would be the easiest one.
I think I have to shake.
Wow! Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. Can you say thank you, Grandpa? Whoa! What do you think, buddy? Oh, okay, ready? Here we go. Here's your next one.
Oh.
From Grandma and Grandpa. Here you go. Liam, open up that one. Oh, thank you. All right. Open up this one. This one's from Grandma and Grandpa. Open it up.
Whoa.
Wow, what is it, Liam?
Bubbles.
Bubbles, that's right.
And batteries.
And batteries on top. Noah, stand back, stand back. Yay, boy Liam. Should we get it out?
Huh.
Okay.